What is the capital of the United Kingdom? London, Edinburgh, Cardiff, Manchester. The correct answer is London. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Mercury. The correct answer is Mars. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Pablo Picasso, Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, Rembrandt. The correct answer is Leonardo da Vinci. What is the smallest prime number? 0, 1, 2, 3. The correct answer is 2. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Jane Austen, William Shakespeare, Charles Dickens, George Orwell. The correct answer is William Shakespeare. Which ocean is the largest in the world? Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, Pacific. The correct answer is Pacific. What is the chemical symbol for water? CO2, H2O, HO, NaCl. The correct answer is H2O. Which famous ship sank on its maiden voyage in 1912? Britannic, Lusitania, Titanic, Queen Mary. The correct answer is Titanic. What's the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Kilimanjaro, K2, Mount Fuji, Mount Everest. The correct answer is Mount Everest. Who wrote Pride and Prejudice? Emily Brontë, Jane Austen, Louisa May Alcott, Virginia Woolf. The correct answer is Jane Austen. What currency is used in Japan? Yen, won, yuan, ringgit. The correct answer is yen. What is the capital of Canada? Toronto, Vancouver, Ottawa, Montreal. The correct answer is Ottawa. Who invented the telephone? Nikola Tesla, Thomas Edison, Alexander Graham Bell, Marconi. The correct answer is Alexander Graham Bell. In which sport would you perform a slam dunk? Volleyball, rugby, basketball, cricket. The correct answer is basketball. Which element has the chemical symbol Au? Silver, copper, gold, aluminium. The correct answer is gold. Who was the British Prime Minister during most of World War II? Clement Attlee, Neville Chamberlain, Winston Churchill, Harold Wilson. The correct answer is Winston Churchill. What is the official language of Brazil? Spanish, Portuguese, French, English. The correct answer is Portuguese. Which Shakespeare play features the line to be or not to be? Macbeth, Hamlet, King Lear, Othello. The correct answer is Hamlet. Who painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? Leonardo da Vinci, Raphael, Michelangelo, Caravaggio. The correct answer is Michelangelo. What is the capital of New Zealand? Auckland, Christchurch, Wellington, Dunedin. The correct answer is Wellington. Which instrument measures atmospheric pressure? Thermometer, anemometer, barometer, hygrometer. The correct answer is barometer. Which continent has the most countries? Europe, Asia, Africa, South America. The correct answer is Africa. What type of energy is stored in a stretched rubber band? Kinetic, potential, thermal, electrical. The correct answer is potential. What is the currency of South Korea? Yen, yuan, won, ringgit. The correct answer is won. What is the tallest building in the world as of 2025? Shanghai Tower, Burj Khalifa, Taipei 101, Merdeka 118. The correct answer is Burj Khalifa. What organ produces insulin? Liver, pancreas, kidney, gallbladder. The correct answer is pancreas. Which vitamin is produced when the skin is exposed to sunlight? Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E. The correct answer is vitamin D. What is the art of paper folding called? Calligraphy, kirigami, origami, ukiyo-e. The correct answer is origami. Who led the Salt March in 1930 as part of India's independence movement? Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Rajendra Prasad. The correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. What is the only letter not used in any US state name? X, Q, Z, J. The correct answer is Q.